Hello everyone and welcome back to Next Vault. XRP is back in the spotlight. After months of uncertainty, the crypto has climbed more than 3% recently and is once again raising the same question traders have asked for years. Is this finally the breakout moment? With speculation about an XRP ETF, artificial intelligence predicting major gains, and Ripple's real-world adoption growing rapidly, September 2025 may be a turning point for XRP. But will it surge past $5 or slip back below $3,000? Let's break it all down. Current state of XRP. As of early September 2025, XRP trades just above the $3 mark with strong volatility. According to Barron's, XRP joined Bitcoin and Ethereum in a small rally, gaining 3.5% in recent days. That sounds good, but under the surface things are complicated. Exchange balances for XRP have been climbing, which usually signals more selling pressure. At the same time, retail traders seem cautious, waiting for a bigger catalyst before committing. AI forecasts and institutional outlook. Driven forecasts are adding fuel to the hype. DeepSeek, an advanced AI out of China, projects XRP could cross $5 by the end of 2025, especially if a US ETF is approved. Meanwhile, Finbold's machine learning model gave a short-term September 1st target of $3.28. That's around a 9% jump from where XRP was trading just weeks ago. This isn't just speculation either. Institutions are paying attention. Ripple's on-demand liquidity system has already powered over $1.3 trillion in cross-border payments this year alone, proving XRP isn't just a meme coin, it's being used in the real world. The ETF catalyst. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the possibility of an XRP exchange-traded fund. When Bitcoin ETFs were approved in early 2024, Bitcoin surged to new highs as institutional investors poured in. Many analysts believe the same thing could happen with XRP. If BlackRock or another major financial institution pushes for an XRP ETF, billions could flow into the market. That's why some are calling this September the last cheap entry point for XRP before a potential explosion. Technical analysis on the charts. XRP is at a critical level. Analysts say that if XRP can stay above £280 to £287, the next target is around $370. That's where things get interesting, because if XRP can break past $3.70s, it opens the door for a much bigger move toward $5 and beyond. But the downside is real. If support breaks, XRP could drop by 10% to around $2.50. That's why many traders are cautious. It's a make or break moment. Risks and rewards. Let's be clear, XRP is still controversial. The legal battle with the SEC may have calmed down, but regulatory uncertainty is always lurking. And as with any crypto, hype can drive prices up quickly, but they can also crash just as fast. On the flip side, XRP has something most altcoins don't: real-world utility. Banks, institutions, and payment providers are already using RippleNet and on-demand liquidity. If adoption continues to scale, XRP could see sustainable long-term growth, not just speculative pumps. So, is September 2025 XRP's breakout month? If the bullish case plays out, we could see XRP pushing above $4 and maybe even testing $5 by the end of the year. If not, a dip toward $2.50 is very possible. Either way, XRP is once again at the center of the crypto conversation, and the decisions you make now could define your portfolio in the months ahead. What do you think, bullish or bearish on XRP this September? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto.